Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is January 12th, 2022. And this is the motor number 3 that I went through here today. This one here's a 1955 Johnson 3-horse. Picked this motor up at the AOMCI swap meet in Lilydale, Minnesota back in October. And just like so many of these things, it just suffered from lack of use. So anyway, this one needed everything to get her back up and going again here. So I did gear case seals on it, new water pump impeller, carburetor rebuild. The fuel tank had about a half a tank of just nasty varnish in it, so I cleaned the tank. Coils, points, condensers, wires, and plugs. And we got her back up and running again, and it turned out pretty well. So I'll give you a little demonstration on this one. Choking on its own fumes a little bit. As I've stated before, my exhaust fan isn't really adequate. I still haven't upgraded that.